It is time to get this thing looking nice. Let's go. What is going on, my car people, and welcome back to Speed Trends Racing. I hope you guys are having a terrific springtime. Man, I hope you guys have at least gotten your guys' whips washed up, clean, detailed, waxed, at least to the minimum, you know. Maybe you're out there racing, having a good time. I hope you guys are all doing that because this year is the year, man. I can't wait to elaborate more on what I talked about in the last episode with starting a shop and everything. And on this episode, we're going to be painting my wheels on the hatch. So let's see what we're going to get into this episode. As you guys already know, I have the hatch up on the lift, ready to take off the wheels and paint them. But first, I'm going to redirect your attention to the table. So I've spent $28 on being able to paint my wheels. I'm going to paint them white. I'm using Rust-Oleum. It's just an ultra high gloss paint you can buy. They're like $6 at Walmart. I also got matching clear coat in a gloss, and then I got pretty big thing of masking tape. And yeah, let's get to work. Wheels are off, so let's start prepping. What a great place to end a video, right next to the lake. One of my favorite spots to be able to take really good video and pictures of my car. And by the way, you guys, it cost me less than 30 bucks to paint these wheels, and man, they just pop. And of course, I mean, dude, from 10 feet away, this thing looks rad, right? And dude, it's not perfect. If you really look into the paint, I mean, dude, there's marks, you know, especially on, pretty sure it's this wheel over here. I think there's, yeah, there we go. There's a crack right there. But dude, from 10 feet away, are you seeing that crack? No way, right? So, man, that was super duper fun. I rarely ever get to paint, and it came out really good. And then, like everybody that ever paints, it's all in the prep. And I prepped it okay. And my goal was for it to look great from 10 feet away. And you guys let me know in the comments if it looks good, because I think it looks awesome. Well, thank you guys again for, man, just everything you guys do on the YouTubes. I'll see you guys in the next video. In this next video, I have no clue what we're doing, but we're gonna do something fun, and it's probably gonna be cheap. See you guys in the next one.